stop biting his ear. Go away. No, you may send him. Don't smack him. Oh!
Sadie, Sammy, behave. Look at you.
Oh my gosh. You just sneezed all over my face.
I got that on camera.
That was disgusting.
This is a vitally important part of
Aww.
if I could help you feet quickly, I would. Also, in honor of the occasion, Barker helped to release a couple of rescued sea lions back into the ocean. One of them was appropriately named Parker. They were hesitant at first, but they took
That's nasty. That is so nasty.
A dead finback whale washed ashore on a Long Island, New York beach. That whale's about 30 to 40 feet long.
Sammy.
Here it is.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
It was first spotted off the coast of New Jersey. Atlantic Beach is on Long Island's south shore. It's about 30 miles from Manhattan. Scientists gathered to determine why that whale died.
In the game of love, and
Oh, Sammy farted.
Now there's a new study that might
Get
reveal
off.
why scientists wouldn't lie
Good
about
job,
why
Sammy.
women fall for
Good job.
Ugh.
Sammy. Sammy. No. Sammy.